Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Diana Sarah once again, here with amazing content as always, guys. So today and tomorrow I'll be taking you through the farm edition. I'll be taking you to the farm, and then tomorrow I'll take you to the waterfall, guys. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, guys. I love you. So yeah, like, subscribe, share and comment. Never forget to comment. Let's engage in the comment section, guys. And yeah, I love you guys. Hope you enjoy these videos. So guys, we are at the farm. So this is our farm. I think I'm going to segment this video into 4 parts so that I can be able to show you each and every corner. So first we're going to start here. You know, village life, we are into organic farming. And yeah, this is bananas. This is where we source our bananas. We've also planted beans. So here are beans. You can also see potatoes are growing. Yeah, so these were planted around 2 months ago, I bet. Yeah, you can also see some gooseberries. Good stuff. Organic farming. So yeah, we are going to go down a little bit as we show you how our farm looks like. All this, yeah. You can also see some pumpkins. These are pumpkins. Yeah, pumpkins. We also have napier grass for cows. Can give them to cows. Yeah, guys. So I'm going to segment this into 4 parts. Yeah, guys. So that I can, because the farm is so big, as you can see, that is still part of the farm. All that is still part of the farm. Here we have maize. This is maize that has been planted here. As you can see, maize. Wow, and a lot of amarantha. This is amarantha. Yeah, guys. More bananas. We have more bananas. These are more bananas growing here. We also have avocado trees. It's an avocado. Let me go. Let me move nearer. It's avocado trees. Wow. These are mango trees. Village life is the best life ever. You see, like everything, you can outsource them here. More bananas. As you can see, more bananas. See, more bananas. I'm going to take you slowly by slowly. See, this is maize and potatoes. I'm gonna take you slowly by slowly. These are avocado trees. You can see these trees, the way they are very long. See these trees? Hi. These trees are more than 10 years. They're more than 10 years. Yeah. So, wow. We also have some aloe vera. This is aloe vera. This is called aloe vera. See the village life here. We have everything in this farm. Everything. You can get everything here. So have collard greens. Now we're gonna continue walking. This is rosemary. See how this rosemary is huge. This is rosemary. More bananas. See that view? Guys, look at that view. $1 million view. Nothing beats a jet to holiday. Nothing beats a jet to holiday. So yeah, guys. So yeah. This is a loquat tree. This is a loquat. So called loquats. If you guys know it, look at those avocado trees. They're so long. So long. So long, guys. See? There's also napier grass. This is napier grass, guys. For cows. No cows. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. $1 million. Nothing beats a village life. Nothing beats this. See more potatoes. Yeah, guys. This is the village. This is our village. Nothing beats this. Everything here we eat is organic. We remove everything from the shamba or a farm. Wow, guys. Wow, guys, see. Wow, this is amazing. This is just amazing, guys. As you can see, more bananas, more bananas. If you think I am lying, here it is, bananas. Bananas are just growing. This is just pure. This is breathtaking. Breathtaking. See, more bananas. More bananas are growing here. Wow. See, maize is growing slowly by slowly. Slowly by slowly. So what do we have here? Here was napier grass. This is another part. We have beans. We have beans growing here. These are beans. Yellow beans. Yes, guys, more bananas. Wow, this is amazing. This is amazing, guys. You can never trade this for anything else. This is the most healthiest food you can ever take from the village. No chemicals added, just manure. Just manure, guys. No GMO foods, just pure. See, these are more maize and potatoes. What? More avocado trees. Wow, guys. You see, houses are built the other side. Very pretty houses. See? Very pretty houses. Very pretty houses. And this place was just a pure forest. Was just forest. There was nothing else here. This land is so big, even I don't even know how many days it's going to take you around here, guys. Wow. Beans and maize. So our staple food is githeri. Githeri, or as you call it, sokotash. We call it sokotash, guys. Yeah, maybe sokotash. A mixture of beans and maize. This is, oh my god, guys, this is a waterfall. You can't wait to see this. There's even a waterfall, guys. So stay tuned. I'm going to take you to the waterfall. So here we used to pump water from, there's a river, I'll show you guys. We used to pump water and then we store it here, and then from here goes all the way up till home. See this? This is breathtaking. It's just amazing. This is just one of a kind. Tomorrow I'm gonna show you a waterfall in Kabete, guys. This is just amazing. You can never trade this view for anything. This is called $1 million view. $1 million view. Wow. Look at my neighbor's farm. That is my neighbor's farm that has a greenhouse. People here are very serious about agriculture. Look at that. Maize, collard greens. These are collard greens. Yeah. See the other part? Same thing. We have maize and beans. As you can see, guys, wow, this is just amazing. Amazing, guys. This is just amazing. We also have napier grass. Look at that view. Look at that view, guys. Wow. Wow. It's just amazing, guys. I'm also going to take you for another day. I'm going to take you to my neighbor's farm. I'm pretty sure there you will see different kinds of plants. People are very serious here. When it comes to farming, guys, people don't joke here. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna end this video. Here. Yeah. And then part 2. Watch out for part 2. I'll take you guys for a surprise tour at the river where there is a waterfall and all kinds, where we go to swim. Can you believe, guys, where we usually go to swim? Anyway, guys, see you tomorrow and stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Love you.